Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving into the world of web design to explore the game-changing UI/UX trends that will revolutionize the industry in 2024. Are you ready? Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. Welcome. 3D and immersive experiences. Our first trend is all about immersion. Get ready for a visual feast as 3D elements take center stage in web design. From interactive graphics to immersive experiences, websites are embracing three-dimensional design to create a more engaging and memorable user experience. Let's explore some examples together. As you can see, the use of 3D elements adds depth and interactivity, making users feel like they're part of the experience. Next up, we have scroll-based animations with storytelling. Think of a website that feels like a captivating journey through a storybook. As users scroll down the page, each section reveals new visuals, animations, and content that seamlessly blend together. This trend creates a dynamic and interactive experience, keeping users hooked and encouraging them to explore more. Now let's shift gears and talk about the power of subtlety. In 2024, minimalistic micro-interactions are stealing the spotlight. These tiny, purposeful animations provide users with instant feedback and enhance overall usability. Whether it's a subtle hover effect or a smooth transition between pages, clean and simple layouts, ample white space, and a focus on essential elements make the user experience seamless and enjoyable. Now, let's brighten things up with neon mist. Neon colors have always had a special place in web design, but in 2024, they are taking over with neon mist. This trend involves incorporating soft glowing gradients, reminiscent of vibrant neon lights that add a touch of enchantment and intrigue to websites. Neon mist creates a visually striking contrast and can instantly grab attention, making websites stand out from the crowd. Next up, we have custom cursors. Have you ever thought about the role your cursor plays in the user experience? Well, in 2024, designers are taking it up a notch with custom cursors. Designers are now incorporating unique and eye-catching cursors that align with the website's brand and theme. It adds an element of surprise and delight, making the user feel more engaged and connected. Finally, let's talk about the impact of big typography. Words can be captivating, and in 2024, they are taking center stage. Big typography involves the use of bold, oversized fonts that demand attention. This trend enables designers to highlight key messages, evoke emotions, and create a strong visual hierarchy. It makes websites more memorable and helps convey the intended message effectively. And there you have it. The game-changing UI/UX trends for web design in 2024. Which trend resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, happy designing.